Hello guys, hope you're doing great. So we have a Lenovo right here with us. Came in with a problem of not booting up or even taking about 30 minutes to boot up, and I knew directly, since the owner told me it has a 1 terabyte hard drive, I knew directly that that hard drive required to be replaced. So this is the job that we're doing. So we're going to be showing you from beginning to the end of upgrading from terribly slow hard drive to an SSD. So sped up the video. Hope you do get to enjoy it and also learn, for those who are watching for the sake of learning or maybe planning to do it by yourself. It's a detailed step-by-step video of exactly. I haven't cut out anything, and we are also going to be cleaning it up, so do watch to the end and hope you do enjoy. If you do like the video, please give it a like and also subscribe if you can. Thank you. See you in the next one.